Google Chrome offers a great extension called Read&Write. This extension works as a toolbar that you can move around your screen to allow the use of quite a few wonderful assistive technology options. These features are great for English language learners, students with learning disabilities, children with varied learning styles, or any student or teacher in general. The Read&Write toolbar has many great buttons that are available at any time you are using Google Chrome. A student could use this toolbar when browsing any website or when drafting in any of the Google app products, such as Google Docs. The first button available is Prediction. When turned on, this feature provides word suggestions as a student is typing. It is similar to the application Co-Writer and gives a student a list of words that can begin with the letters that have been typed. When you hover over each word, it reads the word aloud with correct pronunciation. The next tool is Hover Speech. This tool allows a user to hover their mouse cursor over a word, and the word or sentence will be read aloud. There are different options of voices that you can choose, which vary between slow or fast reading. Here's an example of it in use.
Day in the life. Egypt. What's it like to grow up in Egypt? Here's how one boy spends a typical day.
The next tool is Read&Write Dictionary, where any word on a page can be clicked to reveal its definition. The dictionary provides pronunciation, part of speech, and word meaning. For more visual learners, the Visual Dictionary provides an image that closest resembles a word's meaning. This is a powerful tool that is useful to everyone, but could be especially helpful to ELL students. For use with any of the audio or read aloud buttons, there is a play, stop, and pause button to control playback. Screenshot Reader is a button that is compatible with an additional extension that would allow for optical character recognition. OCR is used for transcribing text from a picture of a worksheet or an image of text. SpeechMaker is an awesome tool that gives the user the option of highlighting a block of text to be downloaded as a read-aloud audio file. This file downloads as an MP3 that can be listened to in iTunes or any other audio playing application. Screen Mask gives the user a highlighted bar that can move up and down the screen. This can be used just like dragging a bookmark over a page, which helps the eye follow the text more easily by focusing on one area and dimming the rest of the screen. Speech Input is a dictation tool that listens to the user's voice and types the text as it is spoken. The Translator tool lets a user click on any word on a page and get a translation to another language. In the Read&Write settings, there are 4 languages to choose from, including French and Spanish. There are 4 highlighter colors that can be used to notate on websites or documents. The clear highlighter button erases those notations. A student can then choose to collect all of the highlighted items on a page. This tool automatically collects the highlights into a new Google Doc with a citation at the end showing the source of the highlights. You can choose to collect any or all of the colors that you have highlighted. Vocabulary List is an extremely useful tool that will automatically collect all of the single word highlights on your page and insert them into a new Google Doc with the dictionary entry as well as the picture dictionary image. Simplify Page does exactly what the name implies. It removes all distracting parts of a website and streamlines it to show only the text and applicable images. This is great for keeping students focused and reducing sensory overload. The last tool is the Practice Reading Aloud tool, where a student can record themselves reading text from a website in the Simplify Page mode. If they want, they can also use the screen mask tool at any time. They can play back their voices reading the text, and there is an option to send the recording to their teacher, either via Google Classroom or by email.